Today, we're taking our email skills to the next level by learning how to create personalized email campaigns with the power of generative AI. In today's digital world, generic emails often get ignored. Personalization is key to cutting through the noise, making recipients feel seen, and forging a stronger connection. Why bother? Personalized emails lead to significantly higher open rates, better engagement, and ultimately increased conversions. They tell your audience this message is just for you. Let's practice by drafting a welcome email for new signups to a fitness coaching newsletter. If you simply prompt, write a welcome email for new signups to a fitness coaching newsletter, AI will give you a general, friendly message. It is start, but it lacks that personal touch. Here's how to personalize with AI. We'll leverage personalization tokens that your client's email marketing platform uses. Refine your prompt. Write a welcome email. Personalize it by using the recipient's first name and mentioning a specific fitness goal, if known. Also, include a call to action to join a private community. The AI now drafts with placeholders like these, showing you exactly where to insert dynamic information. This makes each email feel uniquely crafted for the recipient. This technique transforms mass emails into individual conversations, building trust and stronger relationships with your client's audience. By using AI to integrate personalization, you will help your clients engage deeper, connect more effectively, and drive better results from their email campaigns. Practice this skill and elevate your email marketing game.